Hello friends, today it's Tech Baaz with a quick unboxing of the new Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. With just Rs 12,999 to spend, this seems to be a pretty good option to get 32GB internal memory and 3GB of RAM. It is also available in other variants with 64GB internal memory and 4 to 6GB of RAM at a higher price of course. So without wasting any more time, let's dig in. Let's open the box now. Online review of this device say that it has a really nice camera for its price. We love photo logo here. Inside this packet we have a transparent cover for the device. Redmi started this trend of giving a transparent cover with the phone itself. Let's check the other contents of the box. Here's the device itself. Zenfone Max Pro M2 is a mid-range smartphone which is loaded with powerful features. First look and feel of the device is good. It seems to be a pretty sturdy design with metallic body. Volume rockers and power button both on the right side. Two cameras and a LED flash along with fingerprint scanner as well on the rear. Now let's check the accessories. Here we have charger, a micro USB cable. We don't have a USB Type-C, which was actually expected from this device being a latest smartphone with some good features. It is provided with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 to protect the display from scratches. With its massive 5000 mAh battery and power charging, you can go on for 2 days without any issues. As expected, the cover fits perfectly on the device. We have dedicated slots for 2 nano SIMs and SD card as well. Now let's check the device with its first boot. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to set up the device on the first time. You get a few apps like Facebook, Instagram pre-installed on this device, but you can disable them if you don't want to use them. We also get some other apps like sound recorder, FM radio and calculator. Going to the about phone section of the device, we have Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and some other information. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sensors on the phone include face unlock, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer and ambient light sensor. Its fingerprint scanner is also very responsive and the phone has an overall premium design. Among a few things that I actually liked about this device is the glass panel on the back, the 5000 mAh battery and impressive rear cameras. Here you can check some of the camera samples as well. That's it for now. Let me know in the comment section what you like to know about this device and let me know if you want any other video involving this smartphone like a camera sample video or a speed test. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.